Who that? Me, Donnakay. Applying a really inexpensive beauty supply foundation with a buffing brush. I am just blending that in. I've always been a sponge kind of girl, but I'm starting to go back to my roots and I'm using a brush. And one, it's much faster in my opinion. And two, I think that's where the artistry comes in, man. Because it takes technique and finesse to blend a foundation in with a brush. I will say that the sponges have really spoiled me. And I'm blending that in and I'm using another inexpensive product. Go down to my description bar and check it out, okay? I'm not advertising for no company. No company, them not pay me. So, if you'd like to know what these inexpensive products are, go down to my description bar below and you'll see it. I'm setting my creasing areas and I'm using a blush. Now, initially it's going to look crazy, but trust the process. I'm going to blend it out. I'm just applying that where I would bronze because I'm starting to really like a flushed blushy look. It makes me look dainty and girly and I love it. So I blended that out and then I'm using another inexpensive contour palette and I'm using another brush to blend that in and give some definition to my face. This brush set, I can say that I bought it from eBay and it's pretty amazing. The foundation brush in this brush set as well. The foundation brush in this brush set as well is amazing. I didn't use it today, but it is amazing. Blending that out, I'm using a highlighter to really allow my nose to go the heights and distances that I want it to go. Like I want it to pop, and this inexpensive brand, their highlighters are honestly some of the best on the market, because whenever YouTubers do collabs with them, the first thing I notice, like, wow, their highlighters are really always good. So I went and I bought their new highlighter palette and it's worth it. Blending that out so I don't look unblended. Bars. I'm blending that out again. And I'm just filling in my brows because, you know, with all the powders and stuff, it just got lost in the sauce. But I prefer doing it before because this only, fixing up my brows only took 30 seconds at the end. Okay, lining my lips, giving my lips definition, and then I'm going to apply my lip colors. Again, which will be listed down in the description bar. Now, of all the things that I used, the only expensive products I used were the lip products, not the lip pencil, but the lipsticks, and my setting powder for my creasing areas, that white powder I put under my eye and by my smile lines. But other than that, this is a pretty inexpensive look. Thank you for watching. I'm going to set it with this wonderful setting mist. And I've always stayed away from a dewy setting mist because I'm oily. But this gives you a dew, but it does not allow you to get oily. Trust me, okay? All right. Be blessed. And thank you so much for watching.
Strangest feeling I'm feeling, but your love we will always believe in. Though you may think my faith is in vain, till Shiloh we chant Rastafari's name. I'm feeling high.